today's episode of MotoCheez.
Maybe you can hire
The M Team.
The following movie is rated
I.
Look at that start, huh? First ride with the new M Team van paint job. It's not done. I still got to do the stripe. I did put a front and rear decal that I made. I got to do the door decals, them long ones.
We need one of those. That's the first step.
Close my little flapper. Not sure how this is going to handle the scratches or washing. It's got to be better than gloss black, though, I would think. Can you wax matte black? Like, can you use wax on it? I know you can't on a flat black. So I still have to tint the windows. I gotta put the red stripe, and then I gotta build my front push bar and install that. I'm gonna make a visor piece across the top. I tried to find one to buy, but I don't think they really have anything. And whatever else we come up with.
Arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts. Wife's dropping off at the dry cleaners. I'm gonna get some breakfast at Three Brothers.
Hi, is there anyone here?
I'll drive around the back.
I heard someone. No, that's alright. I didn't see a mail or anything. Hi.
Are they Chinese or Japanese?
I don't
Normally.
Chinese.
Are they?
I could hear a machine going. I said hello a couple times. I guess it wasn't loud enough. They don't even have a f***ing bell.
They should definitely have a bell or a buzzer.
Let's go in there.
Should I drive up it?
You got really good gas mileage in there.
Oh yeah. It's got front hitches hanging out. That's what she said. Lock it, you know. This thing's worth so much money now. Probably worth less money. Got a special cross the border dish. You got your hash and eggs, and shredded potatoes. This looks pretty good. It's got jalapenos.
What language is that?
Jalapeno.
I think it's chorizo. And it's an avocado and a tomato. Looks good.
A few moments later.
Well, how was yours?
8.
8. Mine was about a 9. If they used a fresh tomato, it would have been almost a 10. It was really, really good. Vader van. Go to Big Lots.
You can look at your snacks.
This thing's been starting like perfectly. I don't want to jinx myself though. Yeah, we'll see what snacks for the Florida trip. That could have been HDMI. Highly distracted, medicated individual. We had to come up with a name for it, and I think that's a good name. Highly distracted, medicated individual. Nope, got an opening.
Don't roll it.
Don't roll it.
Turbo wheels.
Well, you know what they say. You're supposed to drive like no one's watching.
Where's the camper?
Oh yeah, remember that person that was living in the camper here? Yeah, he must have got evicted. I went somewhere with the van and I was distracted because I was talking and, you know, into the camera, and I locked my keys in the car. So it wasn't a big deal because I hit the back hatch. Wow, pushed us. That's like a turbo boost. Good, how you doing? Oh, they have, I don't want that crap. Oh, here it is. 3 for $10. Look at that. Oh, this cart needs an alignment or something. They should have like a Bubbles cart service that goes around and services all these carts.
First thing that can go on them is the wheels. That there one's no fucking good. Bearings are gone. Might as well get rid of it right now.
Oil them up, change the wheels. Bet you can make a lot of money with all the stores. Want some Nutella? Peanut butter powder. Power. You want some cheese sauce? Maybe later.
I'll take the dollar one. It doesn't. This one says natural flavor, which means chemicals. That does not.
The dollar store, believe it or not, has a lot of stuff like that. I guess Polish and German sauerkraut must be pretty close. They're pretty close to each other, right?
Yeah.
They're
The same.
they're all.
Germany and Poland were all the same place many years ago.
That's racist. Yeah, that cornhola oil is no good for you either. They say olive oil you have to get in a glass container. And most olive oil you buy today is a glass container. It only has like a tiny percent of real olive oil. Never heard of garlic sea salt. Rainbow peppercorn.
The other stuff I was reading is it's better to go to the Himalayan salt now because of the shit.
Than the sea salt? Really? Half of the stuff you hear is crap and the other half partially
People
crap.
have research articles attached. I don't want to read 50 pages for it.
Yeah, I know, but then you have stuff that people researched for their own narrative too. Like flat earth stuff. You keep popping up on my freaking
Stop talking
feed.
about it. It's listening to you.
Oh.
It doesn't pop up on mine. Having a whole conversation. We're not buying anything.
You act like an elderly person.
Try one of these. Got pineapple, banana, and strawberry.
Oh, yeah, that looks good.
Get away. Don't touch it.
Don't even look at it. Go on, get out.
You like it? Daihatsu.
A Daihatsu? Turbo intercooled four-wheel drive, huh?
Yeah?
Nice. Well, I bet you save money on gas.
Yeah, it's pretty good on gas. Yeah, you too. Yes, I put my cart back. Guess that couple bottles of carburetor cleaner really fixed this thing, huh? I guess I'll have to try my skills at tinting again. I used to be not too bad at it. Oh, I gotta pick up fine line tape. That means I should stop at Levine. Billy said, get fine line tape for that stripe, and the only tape they had in there is basically what I have, which is automotive. So just go with it. You lost a baby carriage.
One baby, wasn't it?
Maybe it was. Let's get to cutting the side vinyl. I got the decals on both sides. That didn't come out too bad. I couldn't get the XX's overlapping. It didn't look right. I could have if I used a different color, but I don't know what other color to use. So I went with those.
What's the plan, B.A.?
Yeah. Let me think.
So now I'm going to paint my red stripe, go all the way across. And on the original, it shoots up across this handle, but it's not a window van. So I'm going to come across about to here, and then I'm going to come across and go up to that wing, and then from the bottom of this wing I'm going to come back down and meet, because it goes from a narrow and it flares all the way up to that one. And then of course this is going to all be painted red, this entire wing.
Yeah, that's the other part of my plan.
I thought about putting that red stripe across this window. I don't know, I don't know what it's going to look like, you know?
You're sure that's what you want to do?
Yeah.
Maybe I will, What do you guys think?
Oh, he loves it when a plan comes together.
A few moments later.
Taking the big old diesel out.
The 70 diesel.
1970 diesel turbo. Let's hear a whistle go up this hill. Yeah, you can hear it better. Nice.
Now that's the kind of service you don't get on Coach.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.